Alright, what's up? Welcome back to the channel, folks, and we are starting up Baldi's Basics. This is something new. I got a computer now, so yeah. First of all, this is not my first time playing Baldi's Basics, but yeah, because I didn't have this recording software when I got Baldi's Basics, so I hope it's a good software, because I don't actually know. Then Baldi's Basics in education and learning. Alright, I don't actually have the audio for Baldi's Basics. Okay. So you won't be able to tell when he's near me or not. I'm just gonna give this one try and then upload this. No, wrong button. I get it, Baldi. No! Oh my god, I'm an idiot. Great. Stuck on that. Later I will upload a video on a game I play a lot. No playtime, no! Let's not play. Dang it! No, first prize, I won't. I won't marry you. Go. Alright. Got the one wrong in accident. It would have been perfect if first prize went down this hallway with Baldi down here. Because, yeah, it would be really good. And I haven't found any items yet. Finally. Oh my god, it's not sleeping time. Damn it! Alright, that was my attempt at Baldi's Basics. So if you enjoyed, drop a like down below, and I will figure out how to... Wait, what? No.